Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base Faucet website. You can claim your free ethereum from that website. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you say 52 this much 160 satoshi every 60 second ethereum. Okay, just put your ethereum wallet address in here. This is my ethereum wallet address, and you can find the link in the address in here. Okay, with MetaMask, and just click start claiming, and with that it will be log into your account, and you can just click, and you can see this is the randomly and manually. I choose manually. I earned this much ethereum. Okay, just select the car first. This is the car, and just click here for your IP address and confirmation you are human, and just click get satoshi. Okay, get ethereum, and you can see this website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay without any second, without any timer. And you can see this is the website pay me instantly in my Faucet pay. Okay, this website link available in description. You can earn much more every day. This website you can claim 100 time claim per day. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.